you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up for me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up for me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. Trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let go.
It's VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man na me, they run town. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, girl, it's on you. Love the way you
It's features.
Bad man on the instrument, I give it them one time. Body baby, yeah.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I dove right into it. This is like a Lauryn Hill look, you know what I mean? Like it's supposed to be. I don't know. But anyway, I digress. I pinned my hair to the side. Like I just did that, you know, just to have a different look, because I haven't been styling my hair, but I was like, let me just push my hair to the side and see how. Let me just push my hair to the side and see how that look, or whatever the case is. So I think it looks pretty good, I guess. I don't know. I was gonna come on here with 2 ponytails, but I look like mad young with it, but I'm gonna do ponytails soon. But I just decided to do this, just push all of the hair to the side, and I'm not gonna keep it like this because I want my hair, you know. So but at any rate, that is the look. I just want to do a real simple 90s look. So let's just go up close. Let me just tell y'all, this is a problem. I don't know how y'all did this back in the day, because my older sister, the one that passed, she did this all the time. I was like, bruh, I'm looking like, how y'all do this? And my eyes was watering. I was over there struggling like, oh, and I poked my eye one time. I was like, oh, I'm like, see, that's why I don't do that. You know how to be doing the waterline. I'm gonna make the waterline and make my eyes bigger. No, no, I don't know how did y'all do it? Okay, let me know too, because I know some people still do it. How do y'all do it? I can't. And I was so tempted to use this, but I was like, no, Charmaine, you gotta keep it simple. You gotta use that pencil, because they ain't had this back then, okay? They ain't had this, okay? And I was trying to like sim it down with the highlighting, because they didn't really do highlighting back then either. So I just like toned it real down. So I toned it real down to like just basic natural, and that's what I basically did. And I just put my hair to the side, 'cause I just wanted something different. So I don't know how this looking, but at any rate. But so yeah, so that's basically what I did. So I was inspired by Lauryn Hill, you know. I did the lip liner with the, you know, the brown pencil, and that's what she had. And then she had like the kind of like the dark brown or whatever. I think I'm gonna show a picture, or I showed the picture, I don't know, so you guys could see like the kind of look I was going for as far as the hair. No, and her roots were puffier, so I just twisted my hair like probably about a week or two ago. So my roots ain't nowhere near. I mean they puff, but they not as puffy. You know, they still look like they, you know, kind of like nicely twist or whatever. But at any rate, so I hope y'all like this. This was 90s inspired by Lauryn Hill. Okay, Lauryn Hill, thank you for the inspiration, but that's just basically about that. But yeah, so I'm basically done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be back with more you know, inspired looks. I'm going to do another look. If you guys like these videos, please let me know. Hit the like button, to subscribe, and share if you like. And that's just basically it. So yeah, this is the look. Very nice and simple. My makeup didn't take me that long today, so I was happy about that. It didn't really take an hour. It was like real quick, like boop, boop, boop. So that's basically about that, you guys. All right, I am done. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I don't know if I nailed it. I probably didn't, but you know, everything is not going to be the exact same, just, you know, to your liking, but you know, whatever the case is. So it's just very, very simple. Y'all saw it was very simple. I just used Juvia's Place. I didn't use that many, you know, palettes. You know, I kept it real simple. So this is like a real simple look that you go for. You could probably do this today. Like, I don't think there's really a problem with this. Like, I think I could probably rock this, but like I'll do the lippy. The lippy looks really nice. But as far as like the liner, like, I mean, it look decent, but I can't do that with the pencil. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to go to my all right. And I went to CVS and bought the regular one, because remember that one I was telling y'all the brush was stiff? No, I had to get the regular brush. I had to get the regular one, because I don't know what that H2O mess is doing, but I can't do it because it be making my line too big. And okay, I'm sorry, but yeah, anyway, so this was 90s inspired. I digress, but we'll talk about that. I think I'm gonna do a review on that. I'm gonna do a review. That's another video. Okay. So yeah, so that's basically about that. All right, so I'm done, y'all. Hope y'all being safe, and I hope this was nice and fun during, you know, the times that we're having here, and I hope you enjoy. So have a blessed day. Blessed time watching. So if any questions, comments, to that, ask. Watching. Peace. Bye.